Before you begin, remove the 2 rubber feet and the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery connector from the system board. Disconnect the power button board ribbon cable connector from the power button board. Remove the single P0 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the top cover. Using a flat-bladed tool, lift the power button board gently from its alignment pins in the top cover and remove it. Replacement. Place the power button board onto its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the single P0 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the top cover. Reconnect the power button board ribbon cable connector to the power button board. Reconnect the battery connector to the system board.